Hello and welcome. Today is Wednesday. It is the 21st day of January 2015. My name is Derek and welcome to this midweek silver chart update. And as at 9:44 on this very volatile market, the price action was 18.22, up 23%, no, 23 cents or 1.28%. A 23% daily gain could happen at some point, but don't expect that anytime soon, although these markets are highly volatile. It wasn't that long ago that the price action got up to about a little over 18 and a half. But this is at 9:44 a.m. Eastern time. Just before 10, the price action fell down to 18. So it's actually down for the day, or pretty much break even as of 9:58 a.m. Eastern time in the volatile market, but it is due for market correction as it's well above this 18 average band, with the 18 average of highs in at 1728. So as far as correctionary phases on the short term, which is really today and tomorrow, I would really be uncomfortable if this thing breaks through this previous support level of a resistance level that's now support at 1733. But if this thing drops down and it's at 1750-ish area, I'm really not too concerned, because support within this uptrend would not be a bad thing to be established along the way. I still like the odds that this thing will hit the target of 1869 rather than, this area, anywhere down below here. But this is part of the game. You get a lot of volatility along the way. Now, since this breakout of 1733, it has been going up higher. So if you played the skill-based game of chart analysis and making wagers, bets, gambling, skill-based, of course, for this to go higher, well, adjust your stops. Maybe if you got in options as this thing was going higher, everything is all cool. I personally don't play this skill-based game of short-term gains or losses, for that matter, of charts. No, I play the silver bullion game in protection against the fiat currency collapse. Short-term games that I play, skill-based gambling games right now, is daily fantasy. And well, two guys I never knew of yesterday, and Thomas Robinson and Langston Galloway, are good for daily fantasy in the NBA, at least for my research, but this isn't about that. This is silver chart analysis. So, again, any type of retracements in this area, I'm not too alarmed about that. As far as the monthly chart is concerned now, as at the same time, 9:44, price action has gotten up to this 18 average of closes, which is in at 1838, which is what the high for the day pretty much happened to be. But at 1822, it's very interesting, because people will state right now it's up so much at 1822, which happens to be the exact low here. And at that point, it was down so much. So I find that part really interesting. But for the month, up about 16%. Now, some of the greatest months of all time in silver I've calculated, and I'm going to bring it up right now. Okay, so the greatest month silver's ever occurred was December of 1979, where it opened at $19, but it closed at $32.20 for a gain of 69.5%. And what I've put on the right-hand side is the minimum price would be to be required to break this move. So to be first place, to have the best month ever, it needs to close this month at $26.65. To make the top 10, it needs to close at least $19.01. Currently, right now, it's still not even in the top 20 of monthly gains for silver as we speak now. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll talk to you most likely over the weekend. Bye-bye.